आज या भूमि भूमि स्ट्रेट भूमि स्ट्रेट भूमि स्ट्रेट भूमि स्ट्रेट भूमि थोड़ा राइट भूमि यहाँ साइड भूमि आपके लेफ्ट ग्रेट समोर यहाँ पे मैम भूमि जस्ट भूमि भूमि जी लेफ्ट में भूमि मैम अरे इधर लाइट मारो या आ रहा प्रदीप पीछे आ जाता सर आपके राइट में देखिए संजय सर यहाँ पे राइट पे सर यहाँ नहीं देखा यार सर यहाँ पे सर सामने यहाँ पे
Thank you.
But I really feel let's welcome her with a round of applause. We have with us Jaideep, a lover.
अंकित बैठ जा ये अंकित अरे अंकित लेके बैठना है अरे लेके भाई वेट फॉर वीडियो
Okay, so like I said earlier, we've actually reserved plenty of time later on for photographs. So my photographer friends, please hold on. I'm going to ask you all to take a seat quickly. We're going to play the trailer once again shortly. Yes, we will be. In the meantime, I think it's time to have a conversation about love stories. Shall we? Yes, so I'm going to request all of you to please take your seats on stage. We will. Okay, so here's the deal, photographer bhaiyo. We have plenty of time. We've reserved time for group photos, director photos, cast photos, solo photos. Sabke liye bahut sara time hai, theek hai? So just relax. Okay, so let's talk. And I think I'm going to start with Bhumi. Okay, so can we have the mic go to Bhumi? Bhumi, I want to ask you, so we saw the trailer once. Such a de-glam avatar of yours,
yeah,
you know?
That's so new for me, right?
Okay, well, sure. So I want you to tell us two things. One is about playing Sudha, your character, your role, and of course being directed by Zoya.
Well, for starters, good evening, everybody. When I got a call from Zoya, I was literally jumping in my bed because she's been on my wish list for the longest time. Wow. I was so excited, and then she shared the story with me, and I was like, oh my God, I just have to do this. Because I'm constantly looking for newer characters, newer stories, newer emotions to feel, newer boundaries to break, and the story did it all. It speaks a lot about so many biases that we have, and we don't even know they exist because we just look through them and walk on with life. And Zoya in this story, in a very, very sweet and nice way, has sort of highlighted that. And yeah, I hope that whenever you guys watch the film, you love it because we loved making it.
Fantastic. I want to ask you one more thing. So this is a film which is actually on one of the biggest global streaming platforms right now in the world. Does that fact change the experience of making a film?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you know, as actors, filmmakers, we want our stories to reach as many people as possible. And Netflix is such a big platform. I am a die-hard fan. I've been a watcher of so many of their shows for a very long time. And I'm glad that we are releasing it on Netflix because I think people on the internet are braver, they are more accepting, they're looking for newer stories, and you know, there's a lot more freedom. So that's good.
Okay, fantastic. So I'm going to move to...
I mean, मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ एक्चुअली जोया से कि हम ऐसी भावना है, लस्ट ऐसी एक भावना है जिसे हम बुरी नज़र से देखते हैं क्योंकि उसका इस्तेमाल बहुत बुरी तरह किया गया है बड़े पर्दे पे और बहुत ऐसे दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म से बुरी तरह, विदाउट एनी सेंसिटिविटी। और ऐसी इनसेंसिटिविटी कभी कभी उसके बहुत ही रेपरकशंस हो सकते हैं हमारे देश में, हमारे समाज में, उसका असर बहुत बुरा होता है। लेकिन सेंसिटिवली कोई लस्ट या हवस की भावना को कभी बड़े पर्दे या छोटे पर्दे पे नहीं दिखाता। सेंसिटिवली अगर आप उस भावना को दिखाओ तो वो भी एक भावना ही है। जैसा इश्क है वैसा हवस है, दोनों हो सकते हैं, कोएग्जिस्ट भी कर सकते हैं। लेकिन बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि उसका इस्तेमाल, जैसे मैंने कहा, बुरी तरह होता है और इसीलिए उस पे बुरा असर पड़ता है समाज पे। एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी ऑल फोर ऑफ अस कलेक्टिवली रियलाइज दैट हम वैसे निर्देशक हैं ही नहीं। हम उस तरह के सेंसिटिव फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, हम चाहे अच्छी कहानी बनाए या बुरी कहानी, अच्छी फिल्म बनाए या बुरी कहानी, लेकिन इनसेंसिटिविटी कभी नहीं दर्शाएंगे। हम कलेक्टिवली रिस्पॉन्सिबल बंच ऑफ फिल्म मेकर्स है, जैसे हर फिल्म मेकर को होना चाहिए। तो हमने ये जो भावना दिखाई है, एक इस भावना को दर्जा दिया है, उसका सही इस्तेमाल किया है और इश्क का दर्जा दिया है हमने, क्योंकि इश्क का दर्जा हवस को भी दे देनी चाहिए हम सबको, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो एन इमोशन, इट्स अ फीलिंग, इट्स एन इंस्टिंक्ट यू हैव। लस्ट कैन नॉट बी always gazed upon with negativity. It's a bona fide emotion within you and you must respect it.
Absolutely. Okay, I've got good news. We've got time for one more question. So, who should we take that from? Okay, yes.
Do you like the Race 3 trailer? Sir, आपको Race 3 का ट्रेलर लगा अच्छा लगा?
Okay, I forgot to say
Please,
one
can
more
we have
sensible
another
question.
Can we have
Yes.
another question?
Any question pertaining to Netflix film Lust Stories? Our cast, directors, producers here, please feel free to raise your hand quickly.
I love the Race 3 trailer. I just want to answer that. And I think and not only me, everyone in the country has loved it. That's why it's amassing those kind of views. Now, moving on.
Okay, fantastic. I think with that, we'll call the Q&A session a wrap, and let's do a quick photo opportunity. I'm going to first invite all of you
Before
to come
anything
forward.
else, I really want to take this opportunity, actually on behalf of Dibakar and Zoya, to thank Ronnie and Ashi. I think they've done such a tremendous job of supporting this. And more than anything else, to the entire team at Netflix, thank you so much for I think, empowering us with this tremendous platform, which is now just taking leaps and bounds ahead with, as a platform goes. And Ronnie has always been such an amazing risk taker, such a visionary, and I think that he really deserves all the applause for making sure that this film was given its due credit and time.
So
Thank
a round
you,
of
Ronnie.
applause, please. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to call all of you forward first. Let's do a group. Okay, stay where you are. Let's do a group photograph, though. Yes. Yes, we've lost the Bakar. Yeah, let's do a quick group photograph wherever you are.
संजय सर बेंटो सेंटर चला अरे ये मैडम Goaman straight Goaman center अभी एंकर था
थैंक यू अनावत साहब
Goaman center
अनावत साहब है ना
साहब
थैंक यू
जय सर थोड़ा
थोड़ा सा सर
थोड़ा लेफ्ट में आइए थोड़ा परफेक्ट
ये
यस ये सेट है यो अरे ओह ये नाइस वन नो सेट है यो या सर इधर देखो
थैंक यू
हां हां
सॉरी
Okay, well, that's all the time we have, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so
सोलो
much.
आपका सोलो
आपने बहुत या
हाउ ग्रोस
थोड़ा आगे आइए बस बस सेंटर 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 प्लीज आज स्ट्रेट हो आज या